What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Stelly Grills and Chills. Hey, and today my wife wanted some meatloaf. I was like, yeah, sounds good to me. Sounds like a good Sunday dinner, y'all. But anyway, you see it got that ketchup top? Cause she love that ketchup top. And look how it's sliced. Oh my goodness. But anyway, let's get it. So here go our ingredients. Now we're gonna start off with a pound of pork. We got our eggs, which are 2. We got potatoes because we're gonna have some nice mashed potatoes. We got our seasoning. And of course to this, we gotta add 2 pounds of 80/20 ground meat. So we're gonna get our 2 eggs in. Add in our onion, bell peppers, and garlic. A tablespoon of Italian seasoning. A tablespoon of oregano, a tablespoon of basil, 2 tablespoons of mustard because I like that flavor, a tablespoon of paprika, a tablespoon of allspice, and of course, my Tony Chachery. Now that's probably about 2 tablespoons, maybe 3. Because that's salt and pepper to taste. Depends on what you like. And instead of using the breadcrumbs, I came with some toast, y'all. And then 2 cups of milk. Now this is 2% milk and 2 slices of bread. Then we gonna give that a good mix. And after we mix this up, we gonna get into a 400-degree oven for approximately 30 minutes. After we get our ingredients well combined, we just gonna get it into a pan. Just dump it on in, y'all. Just dump it on in. Unless you got like a nice bread pan, you can put it in there and then tap it down. Get the air bubbles out. But I don't have one. Well, I do, but I just prefer it like this. We just gonna form it into the meatloaf that we want and keep it moving, y'all. And at the whole time, making sure we get rid of all those air bubbles. That's why you gotta slap it a little bit to get rid of them air bubbles. But our end result should look like this, y'all. Just like this. Now I know y'all haven't forgotten about them potatoes. Now all we did was cube them up, boil them down. Never took them out the water. We waited till the water evaporated, and this is what we got. And to this, we're gonna go ahead and add in about a half cup of milk and some butter. And now this is about 4 tablespoons of butter, y'all. And we're gonna keep on mixing this just like this until we combine those flavors. And then we gonna let it boil down just a little bit more. And let that water evaporate out, well, this time milk, until we get the consistency that we want. And meanwhile, we need to check this meatloaf. Now once we get a temperature of about 135, we gonna put that ketchup top on it. My wife, she love that ketchup top. So you know, I gotta give it to her, because I love her too. So she gotta have her ketchup top, y'all. Gotta have it. Now back to them potatoes, y'all. Now once that butter and milk has boiled down and those potatoes start stiffening up, we want to make sure that we're whisking those potatoes up. It's gonna make them real light and fluffy, at least in my opinion. You know, I don't like mine too light. I like mine just right, enough density, enough pull. And then we gonna add our Tater Slayer. Now, this is something that I get out of Milwaukee. You can order it off of Amazon if you want to try it, but it really makes them potatoes taste good, y'all. It really do. I don't care what kind of tater you put it on, French fries, mashed potatoes, whatever. But this is our meatloaf after another 30 minutes, and we reached a temperature of 170 degrees. Now that's my preferred temperature. Now in my opinion, as long as you let it get to at least 160, you good. So here go our beautiful potatoes that we made. That meatloaf, and then I made a tomato-based gravy. Now, if you want to see how I made this gravy, just comment below. I will show you exactly how to make this gravy. It's pretty simple though. But anyway, y'all, look at this bite. Oh my goodness. Y'all know we enjoyed ourselves. You know, not only was the meatloaf good tonight, it was good on sandwiches, everything, y'all. But anyway, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it real. See you.